Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create app folders on home screen. Okay, so simply press and hold an application. So here I am going to press and hold the application clock, and you need to drag it over another application. Simply the folder is created. You can enter the name here. Tap on here. Simply here I am going to enter starting C. Done. Now you can see simply we create app folders. So here I am going to add camera also in this folder. You can see. Grouping apps into folder helps reduce clutter and keeps your screen organized. It is perfect for managing multiple applications. So simply in this way we can create app folders on home screen. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.